I'm preparing a green olive in deep olive oil. I don't know what name should I give. I've been using a long time top of hummus. So this is a crush. I just crush manually. Crush black pepper, whole black pepper. This is a fennel seed. This is cumin seed. Same, this is a cumin seed, also a little bit white. This is crushed pepper. Is hot. So this is old oil which I just put it here from this jar. I washed this jar again. I'm going to reuse. This is a Spanish green olive which I cut it in 3 pieces. This is whole in the bottle. And this is jalapeno in vinegar. So I cut it also in small pieces. So I will mix it all. I'm going to use a little bit more olive oil in this if I need it. These are fennel seed, these are black pepper, and then is a cumin seed I put it back. So I'm going to short video later to show top of hummus.